Hi, I'm Alex from Full Circle. I'm the head brewer. We're based in Newcastle upon Tyne. So today we're brewing Rotator, which is one of our core beers, and we've integrated Incognito into this recipe for nearly a year now. Helps us really achieve a great yield and a great product. So we started experimenting with Incognito almost 2 years ago. We used it off and on for seasonals, and after we were happy with it, we started swapping out some of the T90 from our core beers. So we replaced probably 5 kilos of T90 with 1 kilo of Incognito, and we found that the product was almost like for like from T90 to Incognito. Some of the other benefits we found were big cost savings on yield as well. So we found that we managed to reduce the amount of grain that we put in and still managed to fill our tank at the end. So much better yield, more consistent product, and it takes up much less space in the fridge as well.